Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is GCSE Maths Exam Sprint Series. This question is about composite functions. It's a very common GCSE exam question in maths. Please pause the video and do this question. When you are ready to check your answers, play the video and check your answers against mine. F of x is equal to 3x take away 2. G of x is x squared add 1. Find an expression for f g of x. Now, first we need to get g of x, which is x squared add 1. And we need to feed it to f. Okay, so let's put this whole thing here. So whatever you put there will go there. So we can say f g of x is equal to 3 bracket x squared add 1 take away 2. Now we can simplify this further. 3 times x squared, 3x squared plus 3 times 1, 3 take away 2. So my final expression is 3x squared add 1. That's the first part. Work out the value of f of g of 2. Oh, so all you need to do is find g of 2 and feed it in here. Or even you can, because we found f g of x, you can even put it here. You'll get the same answer. But let's just do the, let's do it that way then. Because we know f g of x we worked out to be 3x squared at 1. If I need to find f g of 2, I can just put 2 there. 3 times 2 squared at 1. Now, indices first. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12 and 1. The answer for part B is 13. Part C. Find an expression for g of f of x. Now, this is the opposite of what we did earlier. So here we are starting with f of x and feed it into g. So I know f of x is 3x take away 2 and I'm going to put it in here. So whatever I put it in here will go here. So I get g f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 squared and 1. Now we have to do some simplification. So let's multiply the brackets out. 3x minus 2 multiplied by 3x minus 2 and 1. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x, that's negative 6x. Negative 6x. Negative and negative is positive. Add 4. And you have this 1 at the end. So add 1. So when you simplify this, you get 9x squared on its own. Then take away 12x. 4 add 1 is 5. That is the final answer.